God, John, you're living the life. I mean, even you just, oh my God, I'm just so happy that you've gotten to do this. This is just so amazing.
I think about it every night and day. I'm addicted, wanna jump inside your love. I wouldn't wanna have it any other way. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough. 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 I think about it every night and day. I'm addicted, wanna jump inside your love. I wouldn't wanna have it any other way. I'm addicted and I just can't get enough. 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 I think about it every night and day. I'm addicted, wanna jump inside your love. I think about it every night and day. I'm addicted, wanna jump inside your love.
Hey guys, I'm in our apartment in Sydney, Australia. It's beautiful here, man. It's so much better than England. England is just cold, dark and depressing. Here, it feels light, warm and optimistic. What we are doing now is we're heading to a new gym. Roy, what's the gym called again?
One Playground.
One Playground, okay. So we've already been to 2 gyms here, Hisco's and Anytime Fitness. This, by the way, was the best Anytime Fitness. That was the video from yesterday where we hit chest. And today, we're going to One Playground. So, 3 episodes, 3 new gyms. And for that, boy, have I got a treat for you guys. C4. I've used this pre-workout before. I had a little bit in the last video, and before that I've only had it in the cans. So this time, I'm taking a full dose of it, and it's what Jeff Seid uses. And dude, if you know me and you know this channel, you know I'm a huge Jeff Seid fan, okay? And I believe in Jeff Seid's sponsorship, okay? I believe he would only have a good pre-workout. So we're going to use this, and I'm going to know exactly what it feels like. But there is one small issue I have noticed. The pre-workout is kind of separating a bit. It has some sort of like bobbly hole parts, which is less desirable. However, I'm going to mix it up in the water, and yeah, we're going to see what it's like. Over here.
Don't worry, I'm zoomed in.
Oh, you're zoomed in?
Yeah.
Absolute cinema. Taste test. Now this is like a more concentrated version. I'll probably add some more water to this, but yeah. That's actually fucking delicious. No, that's actually good, Roy. No?
Is it a blueberry flavour?
Yeah, I think this is blueberry, is it?
Arctic snow cone. There we go.
This is probably, I'm not even going to lie to you guys, this is probably the best pre-workout I've ever tasted. That's no word of a lie. Like, this tastes amazing. So I'm going to put an affiliate link in the description if you'd like to do it and buy this and also help out the channel at no additional cost yourself. As well guys, free training program in the description if you want to make some gains but you don't have a lot of money, you don't have a lot of P. Check out that program, it's for free. As well, if you want one-on-one coaching, that's available as well. That costs, I'm afraid to say.
move your body, your dance with me. Come on, body, your dance with me. Move your body, your legs with me. Come on, dance with me. Move your body, your dance with me. Move your body, your dance with me. Move your body, your legs with me.